Hello guys, um, today I'm going to show you a simple explain on how to update an outdated SQL. So for this we are going to use a simple SQL. Like this is my teleporter. You can find a link in the description. Well, we got here. We should understand firstly what is this. So we see here if we got the last update. Okay, this is not an outdated SQL, but we gonna change it as outdated. So function A, function H. Okay, good. So this is an outdated SQL. Let's say like we can change something else. I don't know, but most of the bugs is going from the function A and H. But anyways, here what we need if we are going to use a teleporter. So first we downloaded a teleporter, we got a problem and a query. We should firstly really understand what is this query. So it says here delete from, so it's easy. Delete from, create your template where the entry and limit 1 means it will delete only one entry, which is this from create your template where entry. So it's easy. You see, it will delete this ID from create your template where entry. So this is like very easy to understand. So this is the delete. What about the insert into or the update or the replace into? So like we could, if we already have if we don't have delete from creator template and we don't know if we got the same ID, the same entry of the MPC, we're just going for change insert to a replace. But be careful for what you're doing. So we see here insert into creator template. So this all about creator template. We can use navigate and open creator template and check things like entry, model ID. Probably if you know Trinity core, so this always not changed. The entry, the model ID 1, the name, the subname, the gossip menu ID, the menu level, max level, function A, function H, MPC flag, and iname. So this is somehow an outdated database because it uses an outdated DIMTC version, Trinity core version, because it's using function A and function H. So we here see entry. So the entry is this. So it's like first ID here it's the same. The model ID will be this. The name will be this. So remember, in the name you should put this. Make this things like you can name it here whatever you want. I'm gonna call it teleporter. So we will run this query and it won't, or let's say it will not work. Why? Simply I'm using the last Trinity core version. In the last Trinity core version we don't have function A and function H. So what we're gonna do is change the function A to function H to only one. We should find of course the column in the database, in our database. I got function, so I'm gonna change it to function. Okay, we're gonna talk about something else. So I'm creating a teleporter, or you're creating a teleporter. What you will need? We will need the entry, the model ID, the name. Even the subname we don't need it, but you can like enter your server. If you're like, as example, mine is as Sharawo, so I can type as Sharawo. Well, the gossip mini ID. That's very important. The mini max level isn't really important, but like to make it more professional, so you need to the mini and max level. We should have the function h, so they make only one, which is function now. So it's the 35's friendly. The NPC flag. So we got NPC flag is 3, and the INA. This is all what we need for a SQL teleporter. Well, for C++ teleporter, we can change the IName to script name. As I remember, like the column, you can just find it in your database, so script name. So here we go. It's very simple. So now we are going to update this query. What I'm gonna do is delete this and just do function and done. It's updated. Okay, a function, sorry. So it's updated now. If I run this into my database, everything will work fine. So see how easy you can update things. You can like easy understand the queries. It's not that hard if your database yeah, if you're a database developer, let's say developer, okay, it's not hard if you're a database developer. It's hard if you don't know anything about database or SQL. And I'm wondering, really wondering, the people now, they're watching the video and they are SQL developers and they're watching this. You're watching this to learn, yes, but if you're an SQL developer, or you call yourself an SQL developer, and you're watching this, just trust me, it's not yours. Because like, if you're an SQL developer, then you should understand the SQL injection. That's the point. So thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you like it and enjoy it. Please, if you got idea about a video that you want, or if you need a help, so you can just contact me on Skype, on my email, my YouTube channel, by like putting a comment. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you guys. See ya.